everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 849 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I am so excited. This is a product that I've been wanting to try for years. I have seen so many great things about it and it had been on my makeup list of products to purchase for so long, and now I finally have it. This is the Stila Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. So I got this in my BoxyCharm box, which I am so excited about the products that I got in my May 2020 BoxyCharm base box and premium box. So this, I think, is the last product that I have to try out before I'm going to be doing my full face makeup tutorial using all of my BoxyCharm products. So I'll have that unboxing video linked in the description down below if you want to see it, but make sure you're subscribed. Turn on the notifications if you're interested in that full face makeup tutorial using all of my BoxyCharm products. And I got this in the shade Rose Gold Retro, and I was doing a little bit more research even though I'm pretty familiar with this product anyways, but it retails for $24 and it comes in some other shades. All of them look so beautiful. Oh my gosh, the packaging on this. It looks so luxurious. So pretty. It's like a product I want to have displayed on my makeup counter or wherever I end up displaying my makeup. Still in the process of building my makeup room, filming room in the basement. So let's check out the applicator. We get a little flexible doe foot kind of rounded tip applicator. Here's what that looks like. And I'm gonna go ahead and do a swatch. Oh my gosh. It seriously is very lightweight, but full pigment. Oh, it's so pretty. This looks like actually the type of shade that I want. I'd had a lot of issues this month with my BoxyCharm products of them just not being the right shade for me, but this one looks so beautiful, and this looks like a shade I would have chosen. So here's that swatch. Oh my gosh, look at that sparkle and shine. It looks like it has silver glitter in it, but then it also is so shiny. It had like a metallic finish. So I'm gonna try this out on my eyes, but I figured I would incorporate a little bit of eyeshadow with it from my Beauty Creations Cali Chic eyeshadow palette. This is a palette that I got in my BoxyCharm box as well, but it arrived damaged. So I tried to fix it as best as I could. This shade here was completely shattered, but BoxyCharm is sending me a replacement eyeshadow palette, but it's not this same one. So I'm not doing a full dedicated review video on this just because it did come damaged. It wouldn't be that full experience with it. But I figured I could use this for a little crease shade. So I wanted to swatch it and see which colors I think would go best with it. And it turns out this rose gold retro shade would look good with all of these, so I'm really excited. But I'm just going to do a little crease shade and then have the whole focal point of the eyeshadow look be the Stila liquid eyeshadow. So I'm just going to pick up a little bit of this matte orange sunset shade and blend that into my crease, just so I have a little bit of transition and definition. This shade is not as dark and pigmented as I expected, but that's okay. I really just need some slight transition for this look. Okay, so I've got that crease transition shade on. Now I'm going to apply the Stila liquid eyeshadow. And this applicator is great. You can just apply directly from the applicator. That's so much easier. Since it's kind of a lightweight, watery formula, it just feels like I'm applying paint and painting onto my eyelid. It actually kind of makes it really easy to do a cut crease with this applicator. That is so pretty. Oh, I love how that looks with the crease shade too. I'm very curious how this is going to feel on my eye. So I'm giving it a little bit of time to dry I also need to check if there's going to be creasing because I have a lot of lines in my eyelid. But I'm really liking the application. Very easy to apply. It's got that full pigment sparkle. So I'm curious if it smudges. The glitter part smudges, like I have glitter on my finger now, but the color stays in place really nicely. And oh my gosh, it looks so pretty and sparkly. I love it, and I love this color. It's definitely a type of shade that I'm drawn to. I love a bronzy, sparkly eyeshadow look, so this is the perfect color to go with that. And once it dries down, it really does feel so lightweight on my eye. It doesn't even feel like there's anything on my eyelid. So comfortable. And now let's see. So I did not apply an eyeshadow primer with this, but there is still no creasing. Full pigment. Wow. Yeah, dried down. It's gonna stay in place. Oh, I love it. This is what I want in a liquid glitter eyeshadow. This is a very high-rated, top product, cult favorite, and I absolutely agree. I absolutely understand why. It's perfect. It's comfortable on the eye. It's pigmented. It's glittery, but there's no fallout, no creasing. Oh my gosh, it's perfect. I am so glad that I finally have this, but I have definitely been missing out. This is that special secret ingredient for having a glittery, gorgeous eyeshadow look. And now that I have this, I want to wear a glittery eyeshadow look every day. It's so easy, so pretty, and it's glam. It makes me really want an occasion to wear this sparkly eyeshadow look too. Well, that kind of made me sad because I really want to show this off, but I don't have anywhere to go to wear it. But this is going to be a go-to product for when I'm doing a glam look. It's just amazing. This product is so favorited that I'm sure you've tried this out. If you haven't, that's okay, because obviously I hadn't tried it out either. But if you have tried it, I would love to hear your thoughts on it in the comments down below. Let me know what your favorite shades are, because this is definitely a product that I want in all of the colors, because this is, like I said, a go-to glittery eyeshadow product, and I love incorporating glitter into my eyeshadow looks. But if you have not tried this product out, I highly recommend. It's so much fun, so easy. So if you like glitter on your eyes, you should definitely get this. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video. Stay safe and healthy.